Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trader Sherlock. So today this is going to be a video about pre-market analysis of Banknifty. Before I was uploading only shorts, so today I'm thinking of starting a new series called as pre-market analysis and I'll be uploading this daily. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Today I'll be just doing Banknifty. From tomorrow I'll start both Nifty and Banknifty. In this daily chart, you can see a pattern called as alternate bat pattern. It's a harmonic pattern, and from here the D point, the stock has been reversed from the potential reversal zone, and now it has fallen down and is in a consolidation range. If you see in 5 minutes, today it was a not a good day because it was just sideways. Starting it made a fall, and after that it showed a signs of a recovery of a bounce back. No, but it just was just consolidating in this S1 support one range and was consolidating the whole day. It was just a theta decay, and sellers made a good profit because of this sideways stay. So what will be the prediction for tomorrow? What are the important levels? Higher time frame analysis first. In daily chart, you can see that this, when you observe here, this 44207 becomes an important level because whenever the stock has touched here, it has given a bounce back. You can see here these big candles, it has made a pullback. And even today, when the stock fell here, exactly at this 44239 or 44207, there are buyers present, and these buyers didn't allow the stock to break the support and make it fall down more. It made a pullback, saying that there is a signs of recovery, telling that buyers are trying to take the price up. And if you come to 4 hours chart, this is the same thing which you can see. It is just consolidating and you can't see any pattern which has been formed. This is the same case in 1 hour chart. This blue line is the most important in every time frame because usually when the stock is in a downtrend or when a stock price is just moving up, even in 1 hour chart or 4 hour chart, you can see a pattern, harmonic pattern, or you can see a trend line formation. You can see a proper, the high low formation, and you can create you can see patterns here. But if you shift to every time frame, you can't see anything here because it's just consolidation. Just it's a, if you can just draw a trend line here, and if you see, it's just after the downfall, it's just consolidation here, a proper consolidation from almost 1 month is just consolidating. This tells that the more consolidation, the higher chances of a breakout towards upside or downside. So I think I feel that this consolidation might go for 2 to 3 weeks, and after that there might be a huge breakout or a huge downfall. So even in 30 minutes is the same case. Even if you shift to 15 minutes, it's the same case. There is no harmonic pattern. No there is no like ascending triangle, or there is no other patterns which has been formed, because if you observe here closely, there has just been a gap up, gap downs, gap up, gap down, which is no, this is not invalid for creating a pattern. So it just consolidate. So now what will happen tomorrow? I use pivot analysis. So this is the pivot that was created, an arrow pivot, and you might be wondering from the first when I am starting from that time to till here, you might be wondering what are these three lines which are overlapping. These three overlapping lines are the pivot. So I'll make a new video how to calculate pivot S1 and R1 manually. So these three pivot, when you zoom out, you can see that it's been merged so deeply that it looks like a single thick line. This tells that tomorrow there is going to be a trending day. It's an indication that tomorrow there is going to be a trending day either ways. And also important one, it has created a lower value. What is a lower value in pivot? Lower value indicates that tomorrow it is going to be a bearish bias day. So it is indicating that tomorrow the price is going to be the sentiment is bearish. So my analysis for tomorrow is that if the price occurs a gap down, the stock might touch the support here, which is 44207, and from here there might be a buying occur. There might be a buying, and from here the stock might move up and touch the pivot again. So this level can be a most important line for me, because when the stock touches the support, there is the high chance of the stock might the buying might occur, then the stock might move up. So this 44207 becomes an important buying area. And what is next? If by chance the stock gaps up, then the sentiment has changed. That means even if it's a lower value, there is a slight chances of the stock being the price being bullish. So it might touch the pivot here, then bounce back to this resistance. So this resistance makes another important level, 44436. And if it breaks 44436, there might be a small retest again and move up to the target 44530 or 44500. So you can, if it breaks this, you can do a small, you can think of doing a small scalping till 44,500. So the two important levels for me for tomorrow is 44,402 and 44,207. There might be other chance where if it comes to the 44,207, you should just observe a little bit because you don't know what the uh, price might do. If it breaks this, then the stock might just go down and might reach the level 44,000. And from 44,000, there might be a small bounce back because there has been a buying. There has been a huge buying at this level previously. So the three important levels for tomorrow is 44,402 if the price gaps up, and 44,207 if the price gives a gap down. So this is my analysis for tomorrow. And why I'm telling this, because when you open option chain here, you can see that today 44,400 and 44,300, almost 62 lakhs volumes were traded. There was a huge fighting between buyers and sellers, so they didn't leave the stock to just rally up because they're planning some important trending day for tomorrow, because tomorrow is Wednesday and it's expiry. So I think tomorrow there might be a short covering, or there might be a huge fall because of the volumes traded today. So I expect a trending day tomorrow. This is my bias. So thank you. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe.